Guys, we're back in this again. Today is my first video playing Grow a Garden. Not my first time playing. My first video playing Grow a Garden. Not time playing, guys. Okay. Let's see what's in stock, guys. Um, I play this a lot. It's my favorite game right now. My favorite game. Beware of dogs. What is this? Another beware of dogs. Bro, that's not even talk to my phone. There's only Rooster, Jack, Mo. There's only Daisy, Danny, Taya, Winnie, and Azo. Azo! Azo in Philippines is what's a dog? Dog. Yeah, dog. No way. Yes. You need to speak English. Yes. You need to speak English. Okay, guys. I made her to speak English because we're Filipinos. Yeah, because you. What did I say, bro? Because 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 I don't know what to say. Because English people wouldn't understand what I'm saying. Because Philippines, it's a hard language to learn. Can you please stop saying Phil- Philippines? Just talk like a normal person. English. No way you told me to shut up. Guys, I really wanna swear. I am really angry. What the fuck? Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Bitch. Yo, bitch. Wait, no, I'm just joking, bro. I'm just joking. Bro, he said to his mother say English. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done, guys. It's done. I'm not so done. iPhone 89 billion. Daisy was in the seed shop. Bro, why is no, why are... Hey Precious, there's a mango seed in stock. Mango seed is a good fruit, it's a mythical. Why? It's a good fruit. It's a good seed. I have a lot of mango seeds, but I don't care. You need to get it. Okay. Yeah, I have a wasp, guys. Wasp. Wait, I think I have another wasp. Wait, I forgot. I forgot. I 250. Yo, that's a lot of a pack B. And I bet I can pop up with a window. Yo, I really want mutation spatial. Yes, yo, I need 200, I need 25 pollinated coconuts. Because coconuts are really good for pollinate. Bro, I'm not talking to you, bro. I forgot. Fuck you. You're a bitch. No, I'm just joking. Why can't I get these freaking pollinated shorts? Let me get this, bro. Why am I all of a sudden speaking British? Well, I'm not even British. I'm Filipino. Ah, shit! I followed them off it. What the fuck are you doing? You know what? Let me say a little bit of Philippines. Yeah, it's amazing. It's, it's a fucking amazing. This is we don't care. We don't fucking care. Yeah, I got a lucky coconut. I have six. I think I have six coconut that's pollinated. Now this is seven, nine, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11? No, no, not. Okay. 12. What? What do you want, bro? Sorry, I'm sorry. Yo, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Dude. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Bro, I said I'm sorry and I'm sorry. But what the fuck is talking on people big? How about a double sorry? Sorry, sorry. was just joking. Bro. But what was at my other account? I I have Robux in my other account, but I spent it. Now I have zero. Maybe maybe some. Maybe next. Maybe another day. There's there's an invisible ladder. We play. Can we play? Can we play this? Raw Garden. You can join me. Please. Pretty please. Please. Aww. You can miss the flowers. I sit for hours. No. You can miss the flowers. I sit for hours telling of the bluebird. Ano? Love with you. Bakit? Wala. Oh, hindi naman gulo eh. Ay, ang short. Okay. Super broke! What is that? Is that the fake or real? Is that the fake or real? MM2. What is that? Is that a fake or real? Fake or real MM2? It's fake. Guys, guys, check the seed shop. I don't know how to edit it because I'm just a kid. That's why I'm not editing this. I use what, bro? Why are you saying please? Why are you saying please? I I need more pollinated. Wait, I think that's a pollinator. Yeah, it's a pollinator. Let me get that pollinator. Yeah, I'm good at hobby. A a pollinated lilac. No, that's a gold. The other one was pollinated, but this one is gold. I don't want any. Guys, all of the people here, I'm very sorry, but I'm gonna speak Tagalog and you will not understand. I'm very sorry. Ano? Pwede na magtagalog, pwede na magtagalog. Ikaw pa nag-i-English? Ha? Mag-live ka nga, mag-live ka nga, please. Ba't ayaw mo mag-live? Okay lang kahit hindi ako kita ang camera. Ba't ka pa nag-i-English naman? Pake mo din. Hindi, joke lang. Ano to? Ay, gold. You funny. You funny. You funny, bro. Shut up, nigga. Guys, I'm white. All of the black people there. Stay mad. Stay mad. All of the black people. Nigga, 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 nigga. Guys, I'm white. I'm just saying. Piss off. Piss off all the people. All the black niggas. The black nigga. Bro, it's a black nigga. Black nigga, yeah, black nigga. Black nigga. Yeah, yeah. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, man. You need a beep phone. I don't have a beep phone. What the fuck are you saying? Ronnie, kailangan ko 250, honey. Pwede pa nga ako pollinator. Ah, dapat lahat tayo may pollinated. Wait lang. Bakit parang naiisipan ko meron ako mango dito, meron ako mga daming mango dito pollinated. Yun, yun, ayun, sabi na, pollinated. Pretty little girl, I'm so in love with you. Ano yun? Peke naman yan! You can ask flowers. I sit for you can ask the flowers. I sit for hours. Staring out the blue Ooh, pretty little baby. You said that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebird, the pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now it's just the time for everything to turn. I don't know the lyrics of that song. Oh, that's my favorite song. And my other favorite song, Blue by Bankai. Your morning eyes, I can feel like what's up. I can I I don't know I don't know the lyrics, but I love the song. But take your name. Would you mind if I please shock that. Please shock that. I mean, that tulog on mga mom. May natutulog oo. Hmm. Ikaw na yung katutulog. Anong oras ka tutulog? 8? Okay pa. 2 hours kayo. Pang lalaki yan. Pang lalaki yan. God damn it! I-shook Jabon notice! Please! May the God bless me! God of Thunder! Another rod! Hello, bro. Tapos na. Oo nga, nagbibideo pa ako. Hindi pwede bukas ang ano. Okay. Bye guys. I will play tomorrow and I will upload tomorrow. Bye guys. Oh, ba't di mo ano?